Hey everyone! Today I'm going to walk you through how to customize one of my Etsy templates using Corjl. And honestly, once you do it once, you're going to wonder why you were ever intimidated by it. It is so easy and actually really fun. So here's how it works. You purchase a template from my Etsy shop, and within just a few minutes, you'll get an email from Corjl with a link to start editing. Click that link and you're in. No software to download, no design experience needed. It all happens right in your browser. Now I sell a variety of templates, things like this adorable baby shower invitation, but the editing process is the same no matter which one you purchased. So whether you grabbed an invitation, a form, a game, or something else from my shop, this video is going to walk you through everything. And here's what I really want you to hear. Everything in my templates is editable except the color of the images, the text, the fonts, the backgrounds, the images, all of it. I've also included a library of extra images so you can really make it your own. Want a safari theme, a girl vibe, a boy vibe, gender neutral? You've got options. Let's dive in. Hey everyone.
Hi everyone. Today I want to walk you through one of my editable baby shower templates and show you just how easy it is to customize using Corjl. Here is one of my editable listings on Etsy. To start working with the demo, scroll down on the Etsy listing to More About This Item, then look for Try It Before You Buy. Click that link and you're in. You'll notice a watermark on the demo that disappears the moment you purchase. And don't worry, everything you design here carries over. Once you're in, here's the layout. The center is your template where all the magic happens. On the left, you'll see every template included in this set. Click any of them to start working. And on the right are all the pieces that make up your design: images, text, and shapes. Select any piece and a menu pops up at the top with everything you need to customize it. Let's go through each one. This is where you can completely transform the theme. This set comes with a bunch of options: safari animals for a wild theme, vehicles and balloons for a something is coming theme, baby clothes, teddy bears, so many fun directions. Let's go wild today. Click the image you want to swap out. You'll see replace image pop up at the top, and from there you can choose from the images I've included or upload your own. Once you've swapped it in, you can resize it, move it, and place it exactly where you want. Have fun with this part. It's your shower, your style. And if you ever change your mind, just hit that undo arrow in the upper right. Click it as many times as you need. Next, let's personalize the wording. Click on any text box to select it. Click once to place your cursor, double click to select a single word, or triple click to grab the whole line. Type in whatever you'd like it to say. Along the top, you can change the font, color, and size, and you can click and drag the text box to reposition it wherever feels right. Last but not least, shapes and backgrounds. The right side, marked with a little shapes icon. Let's adjust this arch. Select it, and at the top, you can play with the opacity, fill color, and stroke. Once you've purchased your template, you're ready to download. You've got 4 format choices: PNG, JPEG, PDF, and SVG. My recommendation: PDF. It's crisp, it's sharp, and most print shops actually require it. Some templates, like this invitation, are sized at 5 by 7 to fit a standard envelope. If you want to print 2 per page, just change your paper size from the design default to 8.5 by 11. You'll see 2 invitations appear on the page. Just make sure Flatten PDF and Fit Multiples per page are both checked. You'll also see an option for Show Bleed. This adds a little extra color around the edges so you don't end up with any white slivers when you trim. I'd recommend checking that. And finally, Trim Marks. These are the small lines that show you exactly where to cut. If you're cutting these yourself at home, they're really helpful. Print shops may or may not need them, so it's totally optional. And that's IT. You've now got a fully customized, ready to print baby shower invitation made completely your own. Happy designing. Once
And
you've purchased
that's it. Honestly, isn't Corjl kind of amazing? You went from a suggested template to a completely custom personalized design with your own theme, your own fonts, and it probably took you less than an hour. I just love seeing what people create with these templates. Everybody's taste is different, and the designs people come up with always blow me away. So please, when you make yours, share it. Drop a photo in the comments or tag me. I seriously cannot wait to see your creations. If you have any questions at all, leave them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out. And if you haven't grabbed a template yet, the link to my Etsy shop is right below this video. Okay, go make something adorable. Thank you for watching.